talk artificial intelligence. Will AI replace real estate professionals, mortgage professionals, salespeople in general? The real estate agents that use AI will replace the agents that do not. That's what we're going to talk about today. Artificial intelligence, how can you can use it to grow your business, your career, your sales, your marketing, how you can use AI to get exponential. Let's go. I think what you can do is there's a few apps out there. Again, one of my favorites is very simple. Let me give you the most simple example I can. Captions.ai. What does this program do? Number one, it's going to help you do subtitles in your video. It also puts some music on there that's content free. You literally can pick the genre, anything. You want happy hip hop or you want sad country. You can pick any. It has emotions. It's really an AI, real estate professionals, and build your own brand. Oh, yes, you want to be in it? Yeah.